maintain law and order and protect Jamaica from internal and external threats, the government is investing approximately $156.7 billion into national security for the 2025-2026 financial year. From the combined budget, $154.86 billion will go to the recurrent expenses and $1.83 billion to capital projects. The finishing touches will be added to the forensic pathology autopsy suite in the new fiscal year, with $85 million earmarked to outfit the facility with equipment and for goods and services. Construction was completed in 2024 and the opening is scheduled for June 2025. When commissioned into operation, the unit will increase the forensic capacity of the Jamaica Constabulary Force (JCF) and reduce the backlog of criminal and other cases.
When this autopsy suite is finished, will be one of the finest forensic institutes in the Western Hemisphere and provide the best quality service that we can give.
The ministry will also be spending $1 billion on the Westmoreland Police Divisional Headquarters. Ground was broken for the facility in March 2024, and work is expected to reach 50% during the fiscal year, with completion set for March 2027. The new headquarters will further integrate state-of-the-art security technologies in alignment with e-policing initiatives. It is also expected to facilitate improved response times and interactions with citizens, as well as enhance police presence in the division to promote public order. Construction will begin on another police divisional headquarters, St. Catherine North. The modern fit-for-purpose three-story building will span approximately 43,000 square feet.
This new headquarters in the St. Catherine North Division is more than just a construction project. It is a tangible step in the ongoing transformation and modernization of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. We all recognize that a transformed and modern JCF is essential in tackling the challenges associated with ensuring public safety and citizen security.
This year's budgetary allocation of $700 million is expected to bring the project to 30% completion. It's being executed under the Ministry of National Security's Project Rebuild, Overhaul and Construct ROC initiative. All three capital projects are financed by the government. Another investment that will make a significant impact on policing is the $19.58 million for the Security Strengthening Project. With funding from the Inter-American Development Bank, the objective of the project is to increase the conviction rate for murders in Jamaica. Already, network equipment has been installed to connect agencies across the JCF. Case management and station records management systems have also been completed, as well as a jail management software. Computer equipment was also delivered to the National Police College of Jamaica. In the new financial year, work to be undertaken include audits and evaluation of the project.
This is a clear testament to the government's dedication to strengthening the security apparatus of our nation. This variety of assets underscores a clear understanding of modern policing realities.
On the recurrent side, more money is allocated for information and communication technology (ICT) services. Of the $195 million assigned, $45 million will be used for fixed asset. Meanwhile, to support the implementation of the Citizen Security Plan, $103.2 million is assigned. This is an increase of $9 million over the last financial year. A budget is also in place to see the general maintenance and minor repair of police stations island-wide. $290 million is allocated. A further allocation of $3.16 billion is made to manage the JCF's fleet of vehicles and $2.88 billion for the management of its stores and armory.
We do not take this investment lightly. We are committed to ensuring the effective management, maintenance, and utilization of these assets.
When it comes to strategic policing, enforcement of road traffic safety, and crime management, the government intends to spend a combined $57.17 billion.
And this is an investment in our operational readiness. It is an investment in ensuring that our police officers are equipped with the right tools to serve, protect, and reassure the people in Jamaica.
Border security is of equal priority for the ministry. $2.76 billion will be used to manage the flow of passengers, vessels, and crafts, as well as the granting of visas and extension of stay. This will be done through the Passport, Immigration, and Citizenship Agency.
It's important that we maintain the security watch.
The Institute of Forensic Science and Legal Medicine will spend close to $60 million in fixed assets to support its daily operations. And for laboratory services such as ballistic and DNA testing, $24.9 million will go towards fixed assets. An increase of $684 million has pushed the Department of Correctional Services DCS budget to $14.29 billion. A huge chunk, $12.58 billion, will cover operations of the adult and juvenile correctional facilities and probation services. By strategically allocating resources to cutting-edge technology, impenetrable border defenses, transformative inmate rehabilitation programs, and resilient infrastructure, the government is laying the groundwork for a safer, more secure nation.